In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change your phone number on TikTok without verification code. I had some money on my TikTok account, and whenever I try to withdraw the money, TikTok sends the verification code to an old number that I don't have anymore. So that's why, guys, I made this video. I want to show you guys what I did to change my phone number without a verification code. Now, just follow these exact steps, guys. Like I said, TikTok sometimes is really bad and they don't really support their creators, and like they make it very hard to change phone number. It took me like hours to change it, and like it's just ridiculous. Honestly, I don't really know why TikTok is doing this. So what I did, guys, to change phone number on TikTok without verification code, but this is going to take some hours, by the way. Like if you don't want to wait or anything like that, I think like the best way is just to create a new account. Okay, guys, if you want to change your phone number on TikTok without verification code, you just wanna as you can see here, guys, you just want to click on profile at the very bottom and click three little lines in the top right, and then click settings and privacy at the very bottom. Like I said, guys, this is going to take some hours, so you have to be patient before TikTok changes your phone number. Now we just want to scroll down a little bit and click on report a problem. A lot of people reported the problem, but they receive a robot message. I'm going to show you guys how you can solve this problem, don't worry. Now you just want to click on report a problem, and after that, guys, you want to just scroll down. Okay, scroll down at the very bottom, you can see here submit a report. Okay, now after you click, guys, submit a report, you will have to type the same thing, guys, that I have. I am going to add the same thing in the comments. Okay, guys, this is what you want to type here. Hi, I am trying to change the phone number to my TikTok account. Unfortunately, I no longer have access to this phone number as the phone number line have been disconnected. Therefore, I am unable to receive the one-time code that TikTok sends out for verification. So just send the same thing, like I said, and you will find this text in the comments. Okay, now after that, guys, you want to click on done and click on submit. So I already, guys, sent the same thing, so I'm not going to send it again. So just click on submit and you will be able, guys, to change your phone number. TikTok will get back to you within a few hours and they will tell you, guys, what you need. Like they are not going to change it immediately. They are going to ask you about your age, your date of birth, like stuff like that, but probably you know this information. Okay, guys, so hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works, and that would be highly appreciated if you can leave a like. That would really encourage me. So